I'm Miss Pickles, and we're going super intergalactic for today's Tutor-Rama because my special guest is from very far away. Welcome, Quazar.
Hello, Miss Pickles.
Hello, Quazar. So, where exactly are you from?
Quazar. I am from the planet Icthub, from the star cluster Croak.
Well, that's a lovely part of the galaxy. So, what exactly brings you to Earth?
I hear your burritos are off the chain. We're quite the jokesters on Icthub.
Well, that's great because I love jokes. You got any others?
Absolutely. What did the warp drive say to the black hole?
What did the warp drive say to the black hole?
Miss Nick. I guess it really doesn't translate into English.
That's okay, Quazar. I bet it slays on Icthub. So, what really brings you to our delightful planet?
Well, I hear that you make a sweet ray gun, and I have lost mine.
That's okay. I got you covered because today's Tutor-Rama is the ray gun. All right, so welcome to the tutorial part of this Tutor-Rama, the ray gun. So, Quazar, pick a lovely balloon color. I'm going to pick orange.
Yes, Miss Pickles, I will take this Miss Nicomus. Purple.
Purple. Okay, and of course, first thing we do is stretch it. Hold on both ends really carefully and stretch the balloon. Help loosen up the fibers, and then we always kind of warm them up a little bit too. It's not like they're real cold, but if they are, it's good to warm them up in your hand. So then you're going to take a pump and slide it over the top of the pump here, and we're going to inflate it, and I'm going to show you how much. So hold on one sec. We're just going to inflate it about this much. So about this much, ooh, don't fall, about this much uninflated, okay? So pump up your balloon, and I'm going to tie this one. Tie that off. And while Quazar is pumping, we're going to be talking about something super special you can do to a balloon. If it's a little bit too small and you need to make it a little longer, there is a trick. There is a trick. Okay, a little smidge more. Can you do a little bit more? Perfect, just like that. Okay, and then tie that off. We're going to make sure that doesn't fall. And we always take the air, and then we're going to squeeze it so it fills up. It pushes the air back toward the knot, okay? Good, he's got it tied. And now we want a nice long ray gun that's not too squishy and short. So the part where the knot is, put your hand up there by the top, and we're going to hold it with this hand, squeeze a little bit with this hand, and then pull down. Oh, okay, that's good.
Yes.
Okay, because that actually stretches it, makes it a little bit longer, because we don't want a shrunken ray gun. We want a nice big ray gun. So that's perfect. Sometimes it makes that sound. Sometimes you can squeeze it where it's not super squeaky, but it's okay. So where the knot is tied, you're going to take the finger that you point with and just poke it in. Poke it in a little bit, and then with your other two fingers of your other hand, you're going to reach in and grab the knot, like we did on the sword, okay? We did on the sword tutorial way back when, so that you've got the knot, and then you're going to twist it. So, okay, that got too small. If it gets too small, oh, you did it first. Go, Quazar. What? Okay, we're going to hold it, and then we're going to twist a whole bunch of times. Okay, so that it stays, and then you can, if there's one side that's a little bit fat, you can squeeze that side, and it'll straighten up. Perfecto, Quazar. Take a bow. Excellent. Okay, now we just need a little bit of a handle. So if you put your hand right by where the bubble is, and then you can pinch right here so that you know that your handle is large enough. And we're going to just twist that, make another little bubble, and do what we call the ear twist. So grab the bubble. Okay, yeah, there you go. And grab this bubble that's on the top, lift it a little, and twist it so that it holds that. Got it twisted? There you go. Just lift it up a little. There you go. And twist it one more time. Perfecto. And then, this is a super easy twist here. It's called the fold twist. You're just going to fold the balloon over. Just fold it over. And make it about that big because the balloon has to go in between it. A little tiny bit smaller than that. Perfect, just like that. Yeah. And then you're going to pinch it right here and twist. And then twist it at the base. So you're basically just twisting the fold. Just like that. Twist that into that. Good job. And then we're going to reach over a little bit, about that much maybe. About that much. Right there. And we're going to just twist. And then we're going to fold again. Try to make this fold the same size as that first fold. And again, we're going to pinch that and twist that one. So it looks, the ray gun looks crazy until the end. So I think yours came loose a little bit. Just pinch that right there. And then do your fold twist. Try to make, just fold it like that. Just like that. And we're going to try to make that one the same size as that one. And then pinch right here. That's right. And then twist that together. Good job, Quazar. You having fun?
Miss yes, Miss Pickles.
Okay, we're getting close. It looks like craziness, but right at the end, it starts looking like a ray gun. So now we're going to take this longer inflated part and just tuck it through the first fold balloon, and it's going to go right in the middle. Real squeaky. Just squeeze it through there. Okay? And we're going to do the same thing to the other loop, where we're going to tuck it through. Tuck it through. We may have to push this in a little more. There you go. And then you're going to twist it so that that little ear twist we did is in the front. You can see it's in the front, and you can see it's starting to look like a ray gun. So we're going to put your ear twist right there in the front, and you've got a little bit left. Mine has a little bit more uninflated, which is pretty good, and then you're going to just twist. Okay, see right at the tip? You're going to just do a pinch twist to make a bubble. And then I always pinch off where it's coming together, and then I can squeeze, 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 so I can make a circle, and then I can let that part go, and then there's my ray gun. And this is the ray, so aim it away from you. Don't aim it toward yourself. Aim it away from you, okay? And then let go. You had a little bit too much inflated, but we'll still try to get that. You still have an illusion of a ray right there. So those are our ray guns.
I'm Agent Special K. Have you two seen any unusual humanoids?
Burritos off the chain.
By unusual, do you mean unique?
Like with an antenna, or E.T., or Superman, or the Blob?
No blobs around here.
E.T. phone home.
You're not from around here, are you? You're from out of town?
I am Quazar. I am from...
He's from way out of town.
Well, if you see anything unusual or hear anything, you give me a call.
That's a cool card.
You looking pretty lumped up there, boy. Something wrong with you?
Mas ni melamos.
Okay, being bilingual is a good thing. You always have a job.
But
He says, thank you.
I was never here.
Wow. So, Quazar, are you ready to get cracking with these ray guns?
Lashmi's Lila.
Let's go.
That means let's go.
Awesome.
Yes.
Okay, welcome to the Tutor-Rama.
Look kind of lumped up there, boy. What's going on with your head?
Boy.
It's all right to be bilingual there. All right. Huh? You might want to get that looked at, boy. I'm Special Agent K. Hold up. Boy, you don't get out of town much, do you?
You from out of town?
You from out of town?
Muy bien.